got there, baby?
I got this. I got a plug. And I have no idea what this is. It feels kind of weird. Oh my gosh.
Got you a phone.
You got me a phone. This. Oh. Can you leave this now? Oh my God, the minute I looked at it, it's really silly. Oh my God.
Are you happy?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, baby.
I love this phone. Now I can take pictures with Naya. I am ready to. I promise I will not call anybody without your permission.
Okay, it's an emergency phone, okay?